Hi, I am Carlos from Carlos M Kitchen, and today I'm making Mexican pork and beans. This is a great recipe to serve as a dip if you have company or as a side dish. I am using chiles California because they are easy to find, they're not hot. Traditionally, they use chipotles, however, those have some heat. These ones I am using just for the color and flavor. So you want to remove the seeds and rinse them. Once they are rinsed, you can do three things. You can put them in water or in vinegar to hydrate, or do nothing. I'm going to do nothing. That's the way they look after rinsing and drying. I am going to leave them like such. You will see why in a second. So the first thing I want to do is fry them in hot oil. That takes a couple of seconds only. If you leave them longer, they will burn and taste bitter. So remove and reserve. Here I have 1 pound of cooked pinto beans. If you want to make them from scratch, check out my video on how to boil or bake beans. I will also leave a link in the description. Next, I am going to mash the beans. It is easier to do it with a little bit of bean broth. In some regions in Mexico, they use refried beans already, but I am trying to reduce the amount of fat I will use on these beans. And for now, they look fine. They look okay to me. Next, I'm going to use chorizo. You can use any chorizo or pork sausage you like. The classic recipe uses bacon, but I am adding pancetta because that's what I have at home right now. And the pancetta has less fat than the bacon, so that's good. The chorizo is already seasoned, as you can see, and it will add a ton of flavor to the beans. Now in a deep pot, add some olive oil. Both are at room temperature. It is easier to spread the chorizo, and when it cooks, it will have a smaller crumb. Spread it on the bottom of the pan and turn on the heat to medium. You're gonna cook them for about 5 minutes. By the way, at the end of the video, I will leave my beans playlist, so check it out. After 3 minutes, the chorizo started to sweat, but it still needs more cooking. It is not fully cooked yet. After 5 minutes, almost all the liquid has evaporated, but needs a few more minutes. So I add the pancetta or the bacon, whatever you have at home, and cook for 3 more minutes. That's how long it takes for the pancetta to brown. That smells really, really good already. After 3 minutes, it looks like that, and I need to deglaze the pot in a second. You'll see. Now add the beans. See how pale the beans look? They need a little bit of color. At that point, the Mexicans add more pork lard because they like them creamier, but I added some bean broth. That's why I have the bean broth. You can add more if you want them more runny, and I will probably need more anyhow because I still have to add the chiles. Stir, stir, stir to break the beans and to deglaze the pan. All that stuff at the bottom of the pot is flavor. Now add the chiles and more bean broth so that they can soften as you cook them. It's gonna take a good 10 minutes for them to soften. Add as much broth or water as needed, a little bit at a time. By the way, if you like the recipe so far, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it. The next step, you can do it 2 ways. You can use a potato masher and crush them like so until they are well ground, or use my preferred method, which is to use a stick blender. Once they're ground to your liking, after they're ground, you can add more bean broth and cheese if you want them a little runnier and creamier. They use Chihuahua cheese to make them creamier. and continue to cook until the cheese has melted. But you have to ground the beans first. I prefer them not to run it myself because I want to pick them up with the totopos or tortilla chips. I also wait until they are warm instead of hot, because if they're too hot, when you serve them, the tortilla chips will fall apart. Then I just dress them with ground cheese. I like cotija cheese myself, but you can use any cheese that you like. If you have a bunch of options on how to make these beans. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Chaito.